traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this 5 ways up is a wave A. I think we are now in an A, B, C of wave B, and eventually it probably will go back up and make the bigger wave C, but for now, I definitely would just be concerned about this wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think it's very, very clear this is 5 ways down over here for wave A. This is 1, 2, 3 ways up for wave B. I think we are now making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down for wave C of wave B, which likely will take out both of these swing lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is definitely all just one big downtrend, and ever since we broke structure way back here, we've been looking for shorts on shorter time frames. No reason to think this trend is over. We definitely don't have a break of structure. We definitely don't have a higher low. There's no reason at all to think this downtrend is over yet. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, for me, my last structure level is actually still right here because that's the last break of structure to the upside. From that point on, it's actually lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We don't even have a break of structure on the 4 hour time frame, so I mean, I definitely would continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I always say, the trend is your friend, and the trend is down on literally every single higher time frame. So I personally would definitely still be looking for shorts. Now this move up does kind of look like 5 ways up to me, so it does kind of seem like it could be a wave A. It does kind of seem like this might be a wave B, and if it is a wave B, then it probably would likely make a decent move up for a wave C. Now if you are a short time frame trader, then you could definitely try to go long for this wave C, and then maybe exit the long and go short for the continuation of the downtrend once the wave C is complete. But the problem with this, and the reason why I am not going to try to go long, is because we are in a very, very strong downtrend. I only trade in one direction until proven otherwise. And sometimes what you think is a wave B is not a wave B, it's actually just a continuation of the downtrend. So I still think that going long is a little bit dangerous. I still think that just continuing to go short every single chance you get on these shorter time frames is definitely still the way to go. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.